If you own a Jeep Wrangler with removable doors, your doors could be stolen in less than 2 minutes. One replacement door with hardware and painting can cost over $3,000. And don't forget about all your time, paperwork, and aggravation. McGard door locks offer 24-hour theft protection without interfering with the normal day-to-day operation of your doors. Once installed, they are as easily removed as the factory nuts, but only by you using the special key tool. The fully machined hardened steel lock nut utilizes a spin collar that will turn if attacked with gripping tools. McGard door locks look nearly identical to the OEM nuts and require no modifications for installation. Simply replace one hinge nut on each door. Low-cost theft protection and peace of mind for your Jeep Wrangler. And while you're at it, don't forget about your exterior spare tire and road wheels. Simply replace one lug nut on each wheel with a McGard wheel lock for 24-hour theft protection. It's that easy. Lock it or lose it. McGard, the world's best theft protection.